Hello and welcome to the BBC News. I'm Darren Jordan. On screen now are live pictures from Tripoli, where the United States and now the UK have started missile strikes against Libya. In the last few minutes, President Gaddafi has declared war on the United States, and in response, the United Kingdom has declared war on Libya. Iraq and Egypt have offered their support to Libya, and France, Germany and South Africa have allied with Britain and America. The American people are very strongly allied with their country. This is the scene outside the White House right now, and we can cross over to our correspondent Alex Marston.